All right, what we have here is a Fender Bassman 10 50 watt amplifier. I think it's the output transformer has data 72 on it, and the power transformer 74. So I'm gonna say it's a 74. The pots are 72, so I'm gonna say it's a 74. But have no output at all on it. So going through here testing for power, and got it powered on, but the standby is off, and we have voltage there, none on the other side of the switch. We'll flip it, got voltage there, voltage there, and we have voltage going to the output transformer. But on pin 3, which is the plate, we have nothing. And the same on this one. But we have voltage on the cathodes. So what I think it is the output transformer is bad. Okay, I'm gonna do a little continuity test on this transformer. I did this in the amp, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So here's the difference in the transformers. Quite a bit of size. Putting a classic tone in it. Fender Bassman 10. It's a 40 18001 classic tone. And we're also going to add some different speaker impedance outputs on it instead of just having 8 ohms. So this would have been that goes to the speakers on the old one. And there's continuity there, just to show you on the new one. There's continuity there. Now this is the power that goes into the output transformer, and this goes to one of the output tubes, and we have nothing. And then this would go to the other output tube, and we have nothing. Now we'll go to the new one. This is the power coming in and to the output tube. We have continuity. And with the other one. So something's definitely up with this transformer. We're going to put the new one in, see if it works. All right, we got the new output transformer all wired up, and instead of just having 8 ohm speaker jacks outputs, we got 16, 8, and 4. And it's working. We're just going to test the bias on it and then start in on making the cabinets for it.